Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how to combine two fields in DataChamp. Combining two fields helps with better data organization, more structure, and clearer reports. In this tutorial, we'll combine shipping address 1 with shipping address 2 using mappings, but only if shipping address 2 is available. This will allow us to merge both fields when applicable, ensuring the address is correct. To start, click the New Report button and select Orders as the report type. Then, click on Browse and search for the columns you need. In this case, we'll select Address First Line, Address Second Line, Country, and Name. Next, go to Mappings and click Add Mapping. To combine the columns if shipping address 2 is available, select Address Second Line in the If section, and set the condition to is not empty. In the Set section, choose Address First Line. In the To section, enter shipping address, address first line, / shipping address, address second line. The curly brackets are essential because they allow access to other columns. Once everything is set up, click Preview to check if the results are correct. As you can see, the two columns are combined into one. For a clean report, we can set the shipping address 2 to Hide column. Let's check again using the Preview button. If everything looks good, give your report a clear name, like shipping address. Save it, and run it to generate the final results. And that's it. See you in the next video.